You might have had a typographic error or something you want to change on your Facebook post, but the edit option is not showing up. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix edit post option not showing on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up Facebook app real quick and just click on the profile icon right below the Facebook icon, and I'm just gonna navigate through a certain post I have. So I'm just gonna click on this three-dotted icon at my post, and then you should be able to see the edit post option. Now if you don't have that, the first thing we can do is to go to your browser. So I'm just gonna open up my Safari right here, and let's type in Facebook down detector. So we're gonna see or search for information if Facebook is currently down. So just tap on that, and if you see that Facebook has problems with their servers or something like that, that means that everyone might encounter the same issue as you are. So you just have to wait for this issue to be resolved. However, if Facebook is down and you still don't see the edit option, the next thing that we can do is to make sure that our Facebook app is up to date. So to do that, let's visit our App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android, and let's search for Facebook. Now let's wait for this to load, and let's tap on the Facebook app page. As you can see, I see an update button, so just tap on that if you see it as well. So this will enable us to have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements within the app, and will most probably fix the issue of the edit post option not showing on Facebook. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.